In this lesson we're going to continue learning the remainder of Greensleeves. If you recall, we've learnt this so far. Now we're going to continue on from there, and what we're going to learn is more or less a repeat that sounds like this. As you can hear, the end portion that I just played is slightly different. But let's go through everything. Leaving where we left off with the first section here, we then continue on. Open second string, which is a B, played with a finger of the right hand. And then our first chord from the first section, which was C and A. And again, this is a repeat, so I'll go a little bit quicker. The same chord, the F sharp to E, and this chord again, the open B, and then the B and G chord, which was on the 5th and 3rd string, and then the single notes A and B, and then the chord A and C. So I've just played open B, now here it varies. This is the part that sounds different. That was a repeat of the first section up to there. And we play the open second string, single note B, to single note A on the 3rd string. So I'll back up a bit. That's from the other section, open B, back to A, and then we hit a chord now, which is G sharp on the 3rd string, played with a finger, and the 6th string played with the thumb, the open 6th string. That's an E and a G sharp. So we have open B, E and G sharp, and then we have two quick notes. Now I'd stretch with your little finger, these are single notes, F sharp on the 4th string, 4th fret, I play that with the thumb of the right hand, to G sharp on the 3rd string, 1st fret, so we have like that. Again, F sharp to G sharp, and then finally we have a chord that's played twice, and the chord is A on the 3rd string, middle finger, and open 5th string A, which you hit with the thumb, and the 3rd string you hit with the finger, and you play that chord twice. So we have like that. Now after you've played those two parts, we have a brief middle section, and then those two parts, as you'll be able to hear, repeat again. Here they go. Now you can hear I'm repeating from the first section we learnt in the last lesson. Then we add this chord again, which we play twice. Then we go to F sharp and E, and we now play the part we've just learnt in this lesson. Let's take a look at the left hand. Here's the chord we're going to need. First finger, 4th string, 2nd fret. 3rd finger, 1st string, 3rd fret. That's an E on the 4th string and a G on the 1st string. Once again, the thumb plays the 4th string, and a finger of your choice, either the index or the middle, will play the 1st string. And you play this chord twice, like that. Again. And then we continue F sharp to E, as in the first section that we learnt in the last lesson but one, the very first lesson, that is. Again, I'll just play that part again. So all we've done really, in the timing of playing this chord twice, we've basically missed this out. So in that timing of those chords there, we've actually inserted this chord that we've played twice. But then we just simply join the first section at the F sharp point. So instead of going to F sharp there, we insert these chords and then F sharp, and then this part, and then instead of, for the second time round, we insert the chords again and join in at the F sharp point to finish the song off like this. F sharp to G sharp, and the two parts there. Just to refresh your memory, I'll quickly play the song from the beginning. Well, that's it for learning Greensleeves. One parting tip though before we leave. Try not to look at the right hand. If you're new to the guitar and you're just learning these tunes for the first time, that is Malaguena and Greensleeves, whatever you do, look at the right hand to start off if you need to, but slowly look at the left hand and get to the point where you're not looking at the right hand at all, and develop memorization as much as you can for both tunes.